Okay, aloha and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 555, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Hey, so we've been having a discussion over on the reef about electric cars, and so Shane went and rented Who Killed the Electric Car from Netflix, and we watched it last night. And lo and behold, Santa shows up this morning with a special present for Lexi and me, and it's Lexi's new limousine. So now Lexi and I, instead of driving the car, can take our bicycles to the beach, and Lexi gets to ride in the back with me. She's got a little vent at the top. She's got, I'll show you when she gets in, a little vent in the front so she can see where she's going and everyone can see her. And of course, I get to use thigh power to get to the beach instead of using all of that stinky, yucky, gross carbon, oil, gasoline stuff. Anyway, I love my car, but I also am really excited about being able to take, use my own energy to get to the beach and reduce carbon impact with Lexi's help, of course. And she's excited because, I have this problem of codependency. I like to take her with me everywhere I go. And there are a lot of things in our little town here, a mile and a half away, where it's silly. I don't really need to be taking the car. I could be taking my bicycle. So now Lexi and I are going to be able to do that. And we're going to invite you along on our ride to the beach today. Okay, Lexi. Let's load up. Girl. So it's really smart. It has these clips here, so I can leave the little zipper halfway down for Lexi. And I'll do that for you. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh. So far, so good. Hey, I like this. Lexi, sit. Gotta sit. Lexi seems to like it too. It's an interesting thing, the environment. It's definitely a hot button for people. And it's so slow and difficult to make these grand sweeping changes, between countries or whatever. But there's so many little things that each of us can do as individuals. So Lexi and I are really excited. We're doing a little something because the math works out so great. If a lot of people just do a little, it makes a huge impact, and it's so much easier, really, at least to my mind, my way of thinking. Got the church traffic. See, all these cars? Some of these people should have taken their bicycles. And then there'd be plenty of room.
To know where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry, merry and bright, and may all your Christmases.
And here we are at the beautiful beach park.
May your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Treetops glisten, children listen to hear
thought of one more thing. We're going to have to rig a way to put the boogie board on there because the waves are awesome today. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll continue talking about how to reduce carbon impact and global warming over at the reef. Aloha, everybody. Mele kalikimaka.
Merry and bright.